say I am not happy. I am not happy with what I saw yesterday. I am not happy at all.
So, what could be the problem and why are you not happy?
Are you aware that indeed the whom you said you want to marry is seeing another man? What? Are you aware of that?
Ikena, stop that joke. It's an expensive one and you know it.
Obina, I am not joking. I am not joking at all. I met her on the road standing with what they call the herbalist. And the man was even begging her to visit him.
You mean to tell me that my own Ndidi is seeing another man?
See, listen. This is the first-hand information and she accepted. And the man even gave her 10,000 naira, promised to give her more if she comes. I saw her korokoro with my eyes. The man promised to give her more if she visits. Why will I be lying with such a thing like that?
You mean to tell me that my own Ndidi collected the money from the man?
I saw the money live. She collected the money live. I saw it.
Okoli, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the palace. I went to see the Igwe concerning the Tondo's case.
Hey, I hope you did not tell the Igwe that we have not delivered the message to Otondo.
How about you? How can I say a thing like that? Haba, Otondo did something yesterday that pushed me to go and see the Igwe. I told the Igwe that we have delivered his message to the young man. But the young man refused to come. He said he will not come.
You told the Igwe like that?
Yes. I told him, and the Igwe told me to go, that he will summon the young man immediately.
It's Okoli, Hey!
Yes.
You have wiped away our shame.
That young man has caused so much damage in this community. Someone has to deal with him.
Exactly. It won't matter. In fact, I feel like dancing. I wanted to offer you beer, but this is not beer business. I have a fresh palm wine in my house. Let us go. Hey! You didn't back here. I got
to tell you more than what they do.
Hey! That is good.
Yeah, where is your father?
Hey, Mama. Which one? Where is your father? Where is your father?
Don't ask me that stupid question. I'm here to see your father.
What is the problem?
I said I want to see your father.
Hey, what? If I slap you, I'll come with the this one, what is going on? Papa, I don't know of this guy.
Yes.
Also not trying for you.
I'm here to warn you too.
Are you mad? What's wrong with you? What my brother?
Yes.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind.
You came to my house to warn me.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You're dating a girl young enough to be your own daughter.
Can you not come? What is all this now? Wait. What are you even talking about? Eh?
Are you pretending you don't know what I'm talking about? Don't worry. Let me shock you right now.
Oduko, take am easy. Life na jeje o. Remember, say every day na for the thief, but na just one day na for the owner.
Okay, mature look about.
Hey! Do you now know what I'm talking about?
Papa. Hey! Wait. Papa, so you had this kind of money? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10,000. And you like to hire my tweet that you don't have any money at home. Hey! Papa Bukwenumo. Eh? Hey!
Listen, that girl is my fiancée.
Eh?
Yes, she's my fiancée. If I see you close to that girl, you will be a dead man. I promise you. Warn your father. Because next time, it will not be like this. Warn your father. I will not come back.
Hey! Papa, what? Be very careful with me. Hey! Papa? No. I need that video. I I need it. Hey!
Chawadukwa.
Watawagini kbere.
Chawadukwa.
Mabokere mbawisi.
Otondo trouble me. Mekona konsi otondole. Otondo no dey fear anybody. Trouble me. Otondo take a miss like Naija. No be anybody where Otondo see.
What do you want?
Good afternoon. The king wants you at the palace.
Why would the king want to see me?
I don't know. He said you should come immediately.
Who and who came to the palace today?
I don't know.
I want the truth. And nothing but the truth. Who came to the palace today?
Like I said, I don't know.
Start talking! Who came to the palace today?
I'll talk.
Now start talking.
It was... Igwe...
Where is Otondo?
He said he's not coming.
He said that to you?
Yes, Igwe. He also asked me the names of those that reported him to you.
And you did that?
Yes, Igwe, I did. Because he threatened to kill me if I refused to talk. Thank you, Igwe.
I said it. I said it that this young man is a serious threat to my life. My life is so precious to me. I don't want anything that will get me involved with him.
That stupid old fool had the guts to go report me to the Igwe. He has really touched the lion's tail. And I must find out who and who that went with him to that palace. Stupid old fool.
One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, BP go rise. Now which kind person be this year? Otondo eh. Now which kind wala be this year? Otondo eh.
Nail him down.
Oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo eh. Oye napu.
What did I do? What have I done? I am a red cap chief for crying out loud. Red cap chief kill you there. Did you hear me so? How many of you went to the palace yesterday? The palace. How many of you went to report me to the Igwe yesterday?
Stop talking.
We are 4. Name them. My son, please, let me explain. Explanation kill you there. Did you hear me so? Name your colleagues. Ichiod and Ichielendo. And who is the last person?
Papa Ugomma. Papa Ugomma. Nani. Hey. Nani. Hey. As I speak to you now, they have taken Ichiod away because he went to the palace to see the Igwe.
You mean they've taken Odo away because he went to the
Yes, he's a one way.
Wonder who must be feeding them with this information.
Onajum, just go now that you have the time. Oh. Ndi omaka obi di ga n'azụ.
If I run now, where will I run to?
Obuli kunegi jempe, go to your maternal place.
I might meet them already.
These people will come here.
I'm not in the mood. Where is your husband?
My husband went out.
Yeah, I'm asking you question. You're asking me back, Abi.
He's not around. He went outside.
Madam.
Sir, brother.
Why you look us like this? The lie they give us. Why?
No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Go behind the house and search. Let me go inside and search. Come on.
Hey! So they clear for this village. Huh? Everybody don't back. Here? Male, who they chase you? Why you they run? You catch one, Shabi one catch you.
Yes, did you see your father?
I don't see him. I ask, why you they run? You be Usain Bolt? Where you they run go?
Otondo and his boys are in our house. They want to kill us.
So what's he called this up? Where Pale?
Obafel.
Hey God, una dey fuck up. Next time, so not on the make una dey run. Local Jack Bauer. Now make una dey take off like that. Well, una dey make me vex for this village. Una dey make me vex. I don't understand. What do they play, Male? Mama, you guys calm down.
Okay, guys, calm down. See, don't try this thing you're doing, and fall into their temptation.
Mama, you guys go house.
No, that boy is dangerous. You have to be afraid of him too.
Okay.
So don't fall into his temptation.
No, be really afraid. Who be temptation, Mama? You see that temptation? I'm afternoon food. I go either do lunch. I guys go meet Otondo. Say temptation. Male, I want for you. All of una say come out. Who be come out? Come out, not bath.
But did you see your father?
Male, I say go see. Say waiting. Hey.
As for that guy, better show yourself, because I don't carry come. I go treat your fuck up. You go no say another human being there. Oh, I know they fear, I know they carry last. As for this land, ego must be peaceful. Oh, I go end your matter. Wahala they sleep. Oh, wake up, wahala they him see no. Wake up.
Where is he? He escaped before we got to his house.
I believe he got the information before we visited.
He can't run forever.
Biko, my son, we are very sorry for what we did. We promise it will not happen again. Biko.
I will personally inform you of anyone who tries to report you to the King Igwe again. I will inform you about it.
Ichie, what of you?
I will do the same. In fact, me, I'll personally tell the Igwe that you are a very good person in this community.
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Ichie Okoli. Am I a bad person?
Bad person? Come Bannon. How can? Who says so? You are not. You are the nicest man in this community.
Yes.
Yes.
Who amongst you would love to give me his daughter's hand in marriage? Am I not asking a question? I am waiting for an answer. I am waiting for an answer. If you would love to give me your daughter's hand in marriage,
I would like to see your fingers in the air.
Indicate by raising up your hands. Hallelujah, somebody. Just wave it. Wave your hands.
My daughter is married.
To the good church. How sweet is your daughter?
How can I know? I don't know.
And you?
I don't know.
How sweet is your daughter?
I don't know.
Oduko, hey, Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same day must make a more, no be small matter.
Here is money. Yeah? This is all the money we have in this house.
Papa, you lie. Papa, and go to pass now. What is all this now? Papa, we're supposed to have more than this now. What is all this? Papa, you need to tell us what you did with all the money that we have been making. Bam! Bam!
Meaning what?
Papa, what is meaning what? What is meaning what? Is this all the money we have been giving you to save for us? Is this all the money we have been giving to save for us? All this why?
I don't understand what you boys are talking about. You're not making sense to me.
Papa, you think you don't know? You think you don't know that you have been using our money to carry gas in this village? Yes. You think you don't know? Because I don't like all this thing.
You don't insult me. Gente, onye choila wunya ni alani. Nyasira no boru gafia na.
Papa, if you just say this thing again now, I won't go for. We expose you now.
Now, if you shout to the villagers, can you tell them the reason you're shouting?
Papa, we will tell them what you have been doing with us. I will shout. What is all this? Bring this money now.
It's okay. I will bring out the remaining money.
Please do. Before I will shout. I will just shout. Villagers, we will shout.
I told you people to wait.
Yes, we are waiting. We are waiting. Bring the money, Papa. We are waiting now.
Just wait for me here.
Why is Papa behaving like this? Why must Papa lie to us? What is all this now? So go to the guy first.
For the owner. Oduko, hey, Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same day must make a more, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, chowo dokwo. Whether na typhoid fever, chowo dokwo. Whether na diabetes, yo, chowo dokwo. No matter wetin it be, yo, chowo dokwo. Not to make am na my home, I no know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no consign me. Ogo mubu unigwe, try am and see. Oduko, hey Oduko, Oduko.
Girl, I dey vex. I see right now my blood is hot. I dey para. What do they play? I need lit everywhere. What do they play? What do they stop? As I talk to you like this now, my pale and my mom's don't run come off for house. I don't understand.
The thing tire me. No be only your mom and pale. Even the elders of our land are on the run.
Because of one man. Eh? One babu we carry dada. Now everybody they run like this. I don't get. No, we guys do something. I tell you, we guys do something.
This time, babe. You know what's the reason? We need to rush that guy.
Who be we? We don't bath. Huh? We the see front. Girl, like this for this Mara right now, and only me and you be we. These villagers, they're not join we. Now only me and you gather together and I be we. We got to do something, me and you. You understand?
And so, because we know the fear am now.
Who the fear Otondo? Me as I do like that, as I gala shankers like me, I go to fear Otondo. Otondo don't bath. You not go try again, not if you do anything. Like this, I need collide.
I deal with you.
I just tell us because this pain, I can't let they cross. When I can't let they cross some.
Where are they? Are they gone?
My leg base. Say waiting.
Are they gone?
My leg, you base. Say you take off. All of them go just do, una go dey fear. Small tondo. Now all of them dey. See for this village, I dey para for all of now. I dey vex. I dey vex for all of them. Che.
If you like para, you don't understand. You should be afraid of that boy. Somebody when are they punaru?
Mama. Who be egbe? All of them just do, just dey. Una dey fear. No. Male, tell me, what you go make me fear Otondo? You know where I come from, Male? Male for what fear, threatening our water, action our blood. Right now, Otondo, na babu we carry dada. You not fit do anything. Girl, may we bounce.
Bounce, baby.
Mama, which one they there? There na anywhere. I don't move. Girl, may we dey go. Stay there. Who dey fear? Male, that guy na babu. You not fit do anything. Share.
Go run now.
Ndidi, what exactly is the problem?
Obinna, my mother is very sick. She has become very sick ever since she started taking that course medicine. Please, I need some money to take her to the hospital.
Ndidi, you see, I warned you the time you told me that you wanted to take your mother to that man's house. But you never listened to me.
You don't have to blame me. Obinna, I was told that his medicines are effective. What would you have me do?
And you went there and slept with the man. Now you're asking me for financial support. It won't work. Ndidi, I will not give you anything again. Go back to that man and collect the money.
What? Obinna, it is not what you think.
Really?
How can I sleep with such an old man?
But you just did.
Are you giving me the money or not?
No.
So why is she running?
Oh. Sir, you see, the entire community are afraid of you and your boss. You don't have to blame her because it's not her fault, please.
I've come to realize that you've been delaying to pay your levy. Why?
I'm sorry, sir.
You are sorry?
Yes, sir.
It be like saying, no, say my boss or Tondo, no, they like that word, sorry. I am here for the money. And I've realized that you're owing us for 5 days, which means 1,500 for 5 days. That means 7,500. And you will also pay 2,000 naira for your penalty because you delayed your payment, which is a total sum of 9,500. My friend, go inside there and bring my money. Don't waste my time. I know they like her.
For your own shabole, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year? Hot on the now which kind person
This is the 7,000 naira. You talk with I say 7,000 naira, sir. You dey tell me 7,000 like say I come here come buy crayfish. You dey price me anyhow. My friend, complete that money 9,500. You dey mad? If I lose am for you for year, you go forget your name. I dey tell you the truth. Okay, sir. Hey. How much is there? 9,500. Yes, sir. Smile for Jesus. You dey smile out? Yes.
Including Igwe. All the girls today for trouble, another wahala.
See what indeed has cost me now. I would have escaped if she was not here. Now they have collected all my sales for the day. This is annoying, you know. This is very, very annoying, you know. Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
Not to make am na my home, I no know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no concern me. Ogo mubu unigwe, try am and see. Oduko, hey oduko, oduko.
Type of joke is this now? Who can be responsible for this? Who could have done this? I will not take it. I will not take this life. Where are they? So they took my money and ran away. These boys have pushed me to the wall. Huh? How did they know I hid my money there? Let them go and come back. Let them go and come back. In fact, I will not wait. I will go out here and search for them.
Male. This one where you rotting palliative. What do they play?
I don't know. This medicine I bought from Oduko. I don't know. I don't understand again.
She? See Morocco, see Spain. Mama? Wait, I don't understand. You mean say you gather your full self, your gallant self, you still go buy medicine from that man after you take the one who kill you before? Eh?
This one is not. It's not like the other one.
Mama.
Now you say you Sango. Eh?
Ah! Hey! Mama, now this thing where they smell like this, you self you drink. Mama, you know, even if you don't get sense, at least you go get wise now. Eh? What's happen? Hey? How much you buy her? Obia. Ebo. Toilet. Obia. Go inside. You never chanting. You never. Obia. Go inside. You never start, Mama. Body will tell you. Mama, come on, body not to spoil. Mama, go. Obia. You don't go. So it's why you don't go toilet? Smell what you yourself you buy. Why you don't go toilet? Eh? Mama, I dey come. Tissue. Obia. What people? Eh? You don't go keep person. Ishewe. Worry. I don't understand. How this one don't go purge you? Still carry money go buy this guy. Mama. Obia. I dey come. Never change. Oh, she's to there. What he go tell you? This thing how you go. Match. For the sake of God, make her leave and go carry and do experiments. Never see something. Never be. He dey come.
Check. There's nobody there. Maybe he's sleeping. Pray fast. I'm very hungry. And I need to eat this thing. Oh yeah, take. Man don't suffer. What is going on here? Where did you get the money you used in buying this chicken?
Baba, don't ask this question.
Who stole the money I buried at the backyard?
Wait, Papa, you buried money at the backyard?
Will you stop asking me such silly question?
Papa,
which of you took the money I buried at the backyard?
Papa, you're good man. Is that why you took my meat?
Yes.
And
you're not going to smell it.
Papa, because you got my chicken now.
Bring that your own.
What? I will not. I will not.
Listen, no more chicken now.
I'll do it possible, Papa.
Both of you should not step your foot into this house until you provide my money.
Which money, Papa? Papa, you are not going anywhere. You will give me my chicken. Papa, you are not going anywhere. You are giving me my chicken. Papa. What kind of a father is this? We are not going to give Papa the money again. He has been deceiving us, using our hard-earned money to do all these small girls in this village. See, let me tell you, nothing will make me give Papa that money again. Yes. Possible. See, my problem here is that patients are no longer coming as they used to. Hi. See, let me tell you, it is better we use this money and travel back to the city. I'm telling you the truth, I'm telling you the truth. Okay, yo. See, I'll fight you. I'll fight you. Hey, Oga, shift. Papa took my own. God rush Papa and collect your meat. Papa took my own. Hey, I will carry you. Hey. Papa took my. Stay one place now. Papa took my own. Stay one place. Hey. Took my own. Papa took my own. I will not do. I will not do. Okay, because small. No. Small. No. Small. No. I didn't eat anything in my own. Yes. Because. Hey!
Thank you. Are you saying that Otondo still collects levies from you after my warning to him?
Yes, Your Highness. Yesterday, Otondo and his boys came to my shop and collected everything I made. I went home without a dime. It was very, very bad that I couldn't endure the pain. Igwe.
Same with me, Your Majesty. There are so many people that have such experience with us yesterday, but because they are afraid of Otondo and his men, they couldn't join us.
Why didn't the elders report back to me that Otondo is still carrying out his nefarious act? Why didn't they?
Your Majesty, they are afraid of Otondo and his boys.
Why? Is he not the same human being as us?
Your Highness, you have to come to our aid. Our people are in trouble. There is no peace in the land. Please.
Hello, DPO. Good afternoon. How are you? We are fine. Please, there is an emergency in my community right now. I want you to send your boys down to my palace. Yes. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Both of you can now go.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Police will handle this as soon as they arrive.
Thanks, Your Majesty. We appreciate it.
Okay, now, Papa, listen. We are going straight to the palace. Wham. And when we get to the palace, we will tell the Igwe that you have been selling fake medicine to the people of this village. Papa, yes. Both of us are going to expose you. We are going to tell the whole villagers about the activities in the city. Let's go. I don't. Let's go.
Please don't go. I have opened the door. You can now come inside.
No, Papa, lock the door. Lock the door. There is nothing that will stop us from going to tell Igwe what you are doing. Yes, let's go.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Papa, leave us. Papa, what is all this now? Papa, leave us now. Leave us now.
I will not have you guys disgrace me in this village. Huh? Never.
Papa, after eating my chicken, after you must have swallowed my chicken, you are here denying me of freedom of expression.
After stealing my money that I buried in the backyard, then after you might have used my money to buy the chicken, you're not going anywhere, Ndoshi.
Papa, leave us also.
Who is fooling who?
Papa, you are talking about Christmas. You tell my Christmas clothes. Papa, leave me. Team. Papa, leave us. Papa, leave us. Papa, leave us. Team, you wound yourself. We'll carry Papa. Papa, leave us.
Who must have done this? The boss. The elders must have done this.
No, I don't think so. Not after all the threat and the treatment I must have given to them. They won't have the mind to do this again.
But who could have done this?
Who? I think that is what I have to find out.
Yes.
Someone must have gone to the palace and report us to the Igwe again.
No, boss. That is what we must do exactly. To find out.
We go try find out the person. These people know the fear.
Go find out the person.
We're waiting we. We're waiting we. Eh?
Oh.
To the toilet. Eh? I think I have to let Mama Chizoba know that the medicine from Odoko is not good. She's the one that encouraged me to buy it. I can't tell. Hi, Afa.
Are you alright?
I'm not alright, Afa Sabugum.
Hey,
I'm telling you, that medicine is giving me stomach pain. I've gone to the toilet 3 times.
I came here to complain the same thing to you. Mine started since yesterday.
And
I'm coming straight from Odoko's house. He gave me this medicine. He said it will stop my running stomach, that I should continue to take it. Maybe you should go to him. Go and see him and take your medicine. Obia. Give me Abiakwa. Obia. Give me Abiakwa. And say, hey, Gawa. Palito ko gelu. Hey, shimo lekwano. Ekola ko wosana kwa ge palito ko. Gawa. Gawa. Palito ko. Hey. Sorry, oh. Hey. Gawa, I think her own is more serious than mine. I will give her this medicine when she comes out. Sorry, Ndo.
It's Okoli. Ododikwa. What is it? What is it now? Talk to me.
Otonda, his boys are on the run.
Otonda, his boys on the run. What happened? Why?
The police are after them.
Police, Okwa?
Yes.
Who called the police for them?
I don't know.
In that case, we should be happy and celebrate.
Happy, kwa? Listen, you and I, and all the elders in this community, we are in trouble. Otondo, we think that we are the one who went to report him to Igwe again.
You and I know our hands are clean. Or did you report him to Igwe?
Ichiogona, you don't understand. That young man thinks like a beast. He acts before he thinks. Listen, very soon he'll start going from house to house, looking for all of us.
In that case, we are in trouble.
Ichiogona, you are still talking. Listen, I'm not sleeping in my house today.
Please,
going to look for where I'm going to sleep.
Hold on now. Hold on. Let me have a change of clothes. I want to come with you, Biko.
Don't worry. Just start.
Just wait for me. Let me change my clothes, Biko. Please.
Bina.
Okoli.
Are you saying you are the ones that called the police for Tondo?
Yes. We reported to the DPO. Since our Igwe is too reluctant to tackle the situation.
That was a big risk, you know.
Big risk, you said?
Yes. What if he finds out?
Don't worry about that. The police will get him before he does that. Very, very sure. I have this confidence that the police will arrest him soon. Please, 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 I beg you. Do not tell anyone about what we said now.
No problem. I will not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. You can go.
Alright.
You can go.
Okay. See you then.
I will call you when I close my shop.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I will call you. Otondo thinks say Otondo thinks say he has sense. Very, very soon he will be in police net. Nonsense. Let's see who wins next.
Where are you people? Okay, I'm leaving my house right now.
What's the problem?
I'll tell you when I get to my destination. If Otondo comes here looking for me, tell him I've not been around for the past 1 week. Eh?
Otondo kwa?
Yes.
Why is he coming here?
I will tell you when I get.
Come and tell me what is going on.
I will tell you over the phone.
Tell me, no.
I said over the phone.
Otondo. Otondo kwa? Mbao. In that case, he will not meet me too. What is he coming here to do? Ulogu nyele. Kedu ke ihe amu? Ki. Mbao.
Now which kind person be this year? Otondo oye napo, oye kapo. Otondo oye napo, oye kapo. Otondo trouble me. Otondo no get the respect.
Who dey pursue you? Una can run for this village. Why you dey run go? Eh? Why you dey run?
Bia Ugomma.
Eh?
Did you in any way meet Otondo and his boys on the way as you were coming?
Otondo, centipede. All of una go just dey una go dey ask for Otondo. Sure, see Morocco, see Spain. What are they use Otondo do? Why you dey run?
Well, there is no time for question and answer.
Eh?
Let me go.
Oga, calm down, oh. You know say you don't old.
One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly.
Hey.
If you
Omo. Hi, I'm waiting they play. Eh? Hey, go. Come on. Hey. Omo. I think they saw. This village. I mean they run now. Where they can't keep key now? Male! Eh? Someone safe, eh? Eh? Male! Huh?
Did you lock the gates?
Lock gates. Unto waiting now. Waiting they play. Why go lock gates?
Did you see your father?
I not see my papa. Why
Stop
you dey hide?
shouting now. Who knows? Maybe Otondo will be passing by.
Mama, you don't start. See. Babu we carry dada. Now you dey fear again. What's happen?
That boy is dangerous. So.
Mama, which one be dangerous? I give me key, make I enter house. Una say for this video, I know they try you. Give me. Mama, best. Nothing dey happen. Calm down.
Open the door. Make base here one.
Calm down. Nothing dey play.
Open now. Open this door.
Mama, you go take her easy. Calm down. They come, we'll go inside. So now, but I don't want to kill me for this answer.
Hello, DPO. You mean some boys from this community brought the matter to you? Yes, the criminal and his boys at large? Oh, fine. Please, make sure that they are apprehended. Yes, I will be happy. Yeah, whatever thing it will take, I will appreciate. Yes. But yes, as soon as it's done, I will come. Oh, good. I'll call you back. What's the meaning of this? Why are you here?
You're surprised to see me, right?
What do you want?
Igwe, you see, I've come for us to talk. Enwele Igwe. Mwekwa Igwe. But you are the Igwe, the king of this village. Then I, Utondo, I am the Igwe, and I'm in charge.
Will you stop that rubbish?
Igwe, I am not talking rubbish. You were on call with the DPO, right? Huh? Call him back now and tell him that you've settled with Otondo. And there should be no arrest. Call him back now.
Everybody they fear am, including Igwe. All the girls they for trouble, another wahala. One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name.
Hello, DPO. There is an emergency. I want you to stop every arrangement to arrest Otondo and his boys. Do not worry, DPO, I was able to settle that issue immediately I finished discussing with you on phone. Be rest assured everything is alright. I have settled the matter. Yes, I will get back to you as soon as I finish every other arrangement too. I appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay. Thank you.
Beautiful. That's good. Okay. And one more thing. Igwe, you know you're my good friend. And I've missed you. So I want to warn you to stay away from every of my activities in this village. Because if you put I won't take it lightly with you. Or you had to go bloody. Igwe, have a nice day.
Everybody they fear am, including Igwe. All the girls they for trouble, another wahala. One person no go let community.
Can I sit down here in my palace and I watch this little rat be a thorn in my flesh? I will not take that. I will rid this boy once and for all.
Omo girl, I dey para. As I stand here, so I dey vex.
Wetin come make you dey vex now? Now every time you dey vex.
You know you understand. Calm down.
Okay. Oh yeah, tell me.
My pale, I tell you, my old man no sleep for house. Mom sef no fit sleep. Till now we may dey talk, the man never show.
Ha! You serious?
Babe.
And the police are still looking for Otondo.
Shut up. They look for who be Otondo. Onokpasi they look for which Otondo. Where see they waka freely for this village. Person what I see this morning. See the yarn.
You see am?
Girl, I see am.
You mean am?
I mean am. I see am now. So I go just the yarn no pattern. Not be the yarn dust now. Hey! You see this matter why they tell you so? Like this, Igwe, even on Okpa, they not feel run am. As he be, na me and you go run this mara. Yes, now. Ogo,
You well? A problem neither the police nor the Igwe can solve. You want you and I to solve it.
Shut up.
What's happen now? Why they beat me now?
Shut up. I never talk anything now. They speak English. You dey rap. Who you dey rap for? You be Bobby Brown. Till they worry you. You go wait, make I explain. Make you know what I want to talk first before you go begin rap for me.
Oh yeah, they explain because that they fear.
Me or the tea here, come here. I tell you what I want to tell you. Shift. As it be, that's do it. Sure you understand? You understand? Now your teeth complete. No, they go.
I no reason am before.
Move, the canoe where they go Morocco, they leave very soon. Onto the next level. Babe, move, oh.
As for this land, it go must be peaceful, oh. I go end your matter. Wahala they sleep, oh. Wake am, oh, eh. Wahala they him sleep,
Yeah, like this, the jungle life sweet, oh. See, eh? Jungle life, I know feel change from. Why you mash break now? What did they play?
I dey see where so.
What's happen?
Why are you clearing my father's land?
Eh?
Am I talking to a ghost?
Shenkes, now land with this.
Don't mind her.
Oh. You shouldn't mind me, Abi.
Hey, now.
I said stop working and come out of my father's land.
You.
What are you doing on my father's land?
Father's land? It's the owner of the land that asked us to clear the land. He bought it from Otondo.
Hey!
Otondo.
Babe.
Eh?
Like play. Otondo, don't sell my papa land.
Babe, like this, let's say yawa don't gas, but we gas run and a street we dey.
Life!
Na street we dey, we go run and babe. Now they clear land.
Oh yeah, get out.
We are doing our job. You can't chase us from here.
He say waiting. Uncompleted abortion. You say you dey do work. You deaf guy. Run before I run enter your spirit.
You can't chase us out.
Shut up and get out.
Sure? See uncompleted abortion self they talk. Oh, you where? As someone at base, you dey so much. You dey run enter my spirit. Sure? See this one will be like who they take do sacrifice. Oh Benny. Babe. No, babe. We just arrange this matter. May we move.
May I collect my slippers?
May we move.
Babe, we need to with this guy now. We go run now.
No, Otondo must collect, oh. Otondo, you go collect, no worry.
What are you guys doing here? Hey, stop it!
Hey.
You the man?
Stand this way. You have the...
Come on, stand here. Stand here.
Don't push me again.
Stand here.
You sold my father's land and used the money to buy a car. Listen, I came to let you know if I see anyone again on that land, he or she will regret it for the rest of their miserable lives.
You are supporting to Otondo like that.
And that's why you're here?
Yes.
I thought you were here to celebrate with me over my...
Listen, I came to tell you to tell your people to stay away from that land.
Come.
I came to warn you and your ugly girlfriend.
Oh! You talk to the great Otondo this way.
For your information, if I see you or your father on that land again, I am going to kill you and kill your father.
Bros, best.
Do you understand me?
Bros, forget that way they talk. Who you be? May we run. Because of knife where you carry knife when no sharp, may we they fear you. Bros, like this, una go leave that land. You thief person like this and they go buy motor. You say, "Mo, congratulate you. You buy train."
The day where I go cut
You buy sheep.
The day where I go cut you.
Bros, remove this knife.
The day where I go cut you.
Where they fear all this matter?
I make una dey come out from this house.
Bros, if you not go, what's this song?
Make una dey come out from this place.
Easy. You have to not stop when you're talking.
Hey! I'll cut you. Hey! Come on, they come out. They come out from this place. Come out!
Bros, and that's the way you are, the respect. And that's the way you are.
You won't make I cut you now. They come out from this place.
I know the respect you, bros.
I go change your color for you. They tell you that.
Let the music play.
That's how they do now.
Let the music play. Shut up. And who are you to judge this man at the house?
Benny, calm down. What did they saw? What did they play? Na Spanish they speak. They say this man want kill people. You they say who make us judge? We movement. For them just do this. Now you go take a miss you.
If I hear fakam from your mouth again, what I go do you here? You go regret your life. You dey hear me? Mr. Duko, you go house.
Huh?
Yes, Otondo.
Point of correction. You must address him as the Great Otondo.
Great Otondo. I say make you dey go house.
Epa, move, stand there.
Yes, great.
They tell me you dey go, you dey turn. One man shave your white there. See they play. They go where? There you dey go. I'll try yourself. I'll try and not think that when you want this.
If I hear film from your mouth again, you go smell this gun. What I go do here? Mr. Duko, they go house.
Right.
Yes. And see me for house for evening.
Yes.